What's up everyone, and welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411. And in today's video, I'm sure you can tell based upon the title, but I'm going to be doing a look inspired by Coachella. So if you aren't too familiar with Coachella, it is a concert that lasts for 3 days. Woo. And pretty much you go there, you get good food, and you enjoy some nice music. Some wholesome music. I'm just kidding. No, but you enjoy music and you have a good time with your friends. And yeah, I'm doing this look inspired by Coachella. So that's why we have the glitter, and that's why we have the highlight that is holographic. So I'm definitely excited and amped about this look. I'm sure you can tell. Or can you? I'm just kidding. I'm definitely excited, but be sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, follow me at allaroundbeauty411. We can get to know each other. I post some cool memes. Yeah. Okay, so if you want to know how to get this look right here, please continue watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and set my eyebrows for the eyeshadow, and so I'm going to go in with this pink as my nice base shade, and then I'm going to go in with this purple as the transitioning shade, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this dark purple as a nice way to darken it a little bit. As far as the dark purple, it's going to go into the outer V of my eye. So let's go ahead and get started.
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Something for y'all to cut up to, you know? Yeah. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl.
So guys, as you can see, I have a nice gradient going on, and I think it's definitely fun because I'm excited for the kicker part for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use the South Main, and these are the under eye gels. You put them right there, and it's supposed to reduce puffiness, and some of them sometimes have collagen in them, infused with them, and it's supposed to help your skin with collagen and help it look young and youthful. And but I'm going to use these to, one, go ahead and reduce puffiness, just because, you know, it's a little poofy right there. You can restore these in like a cool area. I put these in my makeup drawer because my room typically doesn't get that hot, so you can do that, or you can put them just in your bathroom near the window. I don't know, just somewhere cool, because they do have liquid in them, and so you don't want them to dry out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these, and then we're going to continue on with this eye look. So I went ahead and put them on off camera, and now I'm going to do a cut crease using the NYX glitter primer and the NYX glitter. This particular glitter doesn't really have a name. It's just metallic. It just has like little metallic bits in it. So I'm going to be using this to create a cut crease to give it that more like Coachella vibe, and like I kind of want to go for like a Coachella like fairy, if that makes sense. So that's kind of like the vibe that I'm going for in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Girl, look at this. Okay, so now that we got the glitter going on, it's kind of like pixie dust, since we're going with the Coachella fairy theme here. It's kind of like pixie dust. Also, these came in handy because a lot of glitter fell through. So if you ever do a glitter look, even though you have glitter adhesive, it's still not going to take all the glitter that's on the brush. So you are going to have some that gets stuck in your eyelashes. You are going to have some that gets caught, that just falls down. And then you don't want that on your skin because then you're just going to have like specks of glitter. I mean, I still have some on my skin, but it's not a lot. I can definitely handle and get it off. So now I'm just going to go back in and reiterate the pink and the purple. So let's go ahead and get started. Woo! So a lot has happened off camera, so I went ahead and did my foundation, of course. I also went ahead and lined my eyes, and I went ahead and put lashes on. I don't know if, sorry, a fly went by and I was like, ah! So yeah, there's lashes on. You could definitely, you can kind of tell, can't tell, because like the glitter is so popping. Okay, anywho, I went ahead and mapped out my face for contouring. So I went ahead and mapped everything out. So of course, you know with that, it's time to blend. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, now that I'm all blended out, I have to go ahead and set this, aka bake my face. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go ahead and use the black Radiance, their contour powder palette, and I'm going to be using Dermablend to set my highlight. So let's go ahead and get started. While I bake my face, like they say, what you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. So just to reiterate it for you guys, I use the Morphe 35B palette. I had to make sure I was right. And I'm going to be using the pink, which is kind of like a hot pink, and then purple, and then a dark purple. So let's go ahead and get started. But it's all right. But it's all right. So I went ahead and put mascara, and I went ahead and lined my eyes with white. That way it can make my eyes look bigger, and that way give that, like, you know, we're going for a fairy, so hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now I'm going to be taking the Studio Makeup, and it is their loose blush. I was gonna say loose brush, but it is their loose blush, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheeks. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to go in with the Holographic highlighter by Naked Cosmetics, and this is definitely have become top notch. Like, I don't know, I think it's cool for summer, and I think it's really cool for concerts like EDMs and Coachella, so I'm definitely like glad I got this. I'm going to be going in with this pink shade right here and mixing it with this gold shade. It's really hard for you guys to like truly see the colors because of the packaging, so I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but woo, is this highlight like my favorite, and I definitely love it. I kind of wish I would have used like fishnets, but then that's kind of like going for a mermaid thing, not really a fairy. I don't know, but I definitely kind of went over a little bit on my lips, but that is okay. So for my lips, I'm going to be going in with MAC Cosmetic Dazzlegloss. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, and that basically is the look. Adding the Dazzlegloss definitely gave it that pop. I definitely am a fan of glosses, especially a clear gloss. I love a clear gloss. Anywho, I was kind of indecisive on whether to put the same glitter that I use on my lids, on my lips, but then I was like, and I went ahead and decided, like, no, I think this is definitely cool because the eyes are what's more important, because, hey, at Coachella, going all out with eyeshadow, hey, is the best way to go. Either you do it by your hair, your style, or your makeup. Or you can do it by all three. I'm definitely one, if I was to go to Coachella, I would definitely use that to express my makeup look. Because I feel like I would just dress in a t-shirt and jeans. So basic. Anyway, I feel like I would dress up in a t-shirt and jeans. So I would love to just over exaggerate my eye makeup. Of course, use setting spray if you are going to Coachella and wearing makeup, just in case. But yeah, no, this is the finishing look. I definitely like the highlighter mix choices that I went with, because it kind of just like, it gives like that like glow, yet it gives that like fantasy kind of feel to it. So I definitely love it. Alright guys, and so you know me, I post videos every Friday. Alright guys, and you know me, and I am out.